In Boca Raton's luxury market, some home features add more than beauty. They add significant, measurable value. What if one feature could make a home sell for 31% more than expected? That feature is a professionally built wine cellar. Beyond just market signals, a well-built cellar can directly increase a home's appraised value by 5 to 15%. This is a true investment, often recouping 70 to 80% of its initial cost when the property is sold. So, how do you secure this value? We will break down the technical foundations, the design, and its impact on your appraisal. But not all wine cellars are created equal. What turns a simple wine rack into a high-value asset, an appraiser will reward. It begins with unseen science, unwavering climate control. The target is a constant 55 to 58 degrees and 50 to 70% humidity. This precision is impossible with a standard HVAC system, which removes humidity and will ruin your wine. A dedicated cooling unit is non-negotiable. The room itself must be engineered with R19 wall insulation, R30 ceilings, and a vapor barrier to stop condensation and mold. Why does an appraiser care about insulation and cooling units? Because they assess value based on permanence and utility. A professionally built-in system is a permanent part of the property. It's an integrated architectural feature, not just furniture. So the engineering is sound. But how is that function transformed into a stunning showpiece that commands a premium valuation? The leading design trend is the glass-enclosed wine room. It turns the collection into visual art, seen from main living areas. Lighting is paramount. Strategic, UV-free LEDs highlight bottles and textures, creating drama without damaging heat. Material selection signals quality. Rich woods like mahogany, sleek metal, and natural stone show superior craftsmanship. The greatest value multiplier is turning the cellar into an entertainment space. A tasting table creates a destination in the home, so you have the science and the art. Yet there are details to consider. What common mistakes can undermine this entire investment? The most frequent error is a failure to plan for growth. A collection always expands. Design with future capacity in mind. For Boca Raton's luxury condos, unique challenges arise. You must account for mechanical noise, drainage, and structural loads. Another layer of sophistication is designing for more than wine. The modern luxury cellar is a far more versatile space. These rooms are now designed to store collections of high-end bourbon, tequila, and cigars, broadening their appeal. Now, let's connect these pieces. How do technical precision and aesthetic beauty create undeniable value in the Boca Raton market? An appraiser sees a showpiece as a signal of market desirability, a high-demand feature that distinguishes a property. In a market like Boca Raton, a unique feature is a powerful differentiator that captures buyer interest and leads to stronger offers. This is where the science and the art merge. Flawless function gives a buyer confidence. Beautiful design creates an emotional pull. Buyers don't just see wine storage, they envision themselves hosting tastings and living a sophisticated life. This lifestyle appeal is exactly what the Boca Raton luxury market demands. Unique experiences translate into appraisal premiums. And that emotional draw, backed by technical excellence, is how a property with a wine cellar can command a 31% market premium. A wine cellar is far more than a storage closet. It is a complex asset, a blend of engineering, art, and lifestyle marketing. When designed with technical precision and aesthetic vision, it becomes a strategic investment that adds demonstrable property value. By investing in a wine cellar, you are not just storing a collection, you are curating an experience and building equity. To understand the true value of your Boca Raton property and its special features, a specialized appraisal is needed. Only active cellars move the appraisal. Climate control isn't optional, It's the baseline, 70 to 80% ROI. In Boca Raton, that's not a projection. It's the market. Stop storing wine, start building an asset. oasiswinesellers.com